If it's tied to something, it's tied to him.
It ain't tied to nothing.
No, the backside as it goes up.
What's that?
The bottom of it when it comes down and goes up.
Yeah, I think it's slack.
I think the back end of it might be either tied to him or just hanging.
Yeah, nothing's tied to nothing.
Are you actually filming?
Yeah.
You might want to follow it down.
Don't yell timber.
That is one stubborn son of a bitch right
Super boo.
there. Sure.
Well, there's the
Hey,
big
think the
moon.
rope's okay there?
Stand on the other side of it.
Yeah, it's going down. What's going to stay with it?
Okay, I was making one attached to you or nothing.
Can't attach to him except green rope.
No, he's got a red one up there with him. But I think that's the only other one attached to him is the red.
Oh.
Yeah. That's gonna fall right on the pile. It might twist coming down though.
That's a long wreck.
Bet your back is hurting. That's a hell of a reach.
It's like a movie.
You can do it, Jordan.
You got it.
Oh, I know.
That's too damn funny. Come on, baby. Oh, come on.
It's going.
Timber.
It's going. Oh no.
Perfect. That's a hole in the yard.
Oh man,
Before it popped back out.
that was scary.
Yeah, Paul.